Hi 9th class students. The last class we completed the exercise 9.4. Sorry, 2.4. This is today we are going to discuss the algebraic identities. So in this algebraic identities, some formulas have already been done in the previous classes, but I will just recall that formula what we completed. The first one is a plus b whole square identically equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second form identity is a minus b whole square identically equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus b identically equal to a square minus b square. This is third identity, children. Now x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus a. This is fourth identity. This formula we completed in the last classes. For this geometrical proofs also there for us. This geometrical proofs we discuss in the next class. Today we are going to do the problems on this four identities. Once again we have noted in the classwork. First one is a plus b whole square. Second one is a minus b whole square. Third one is a square minus b square. Fourth one is x plus a into x plus b. These are the four identities what we learned in the previous classes. Now today we have to go through the problems on these identities. Page number 49. Do these problems. First one. Let us see this one. Find the following product using appropriate identity. So using these identities, we have to do the problems on the four identities. So do the problems. See page number 49. Do these problems. The first one is x plus 5 into x plus 5. First problem, x plus 5 into x plus 5. This is the problem. What formula like how it is? See one time, x plus 5 into x plus 5, like a plus b into a plus b, a plus b whole square. That is first problem solution I am doing now. X plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square, that is in the form of, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So రాసుకుందాం, is in the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula already you know that a plus b whole square equal to a whole square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 5 plus b square, b whole square is 5 square. X whole square is nothing but x square. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఎందుకు రాశారు? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ రాసి సరిపోదు కదా అనొచ్చు. ఒక్కోసారి ఎక్స్ బదులుగా 4x రావచ్చు, లేదా 2/3x రావచ్చు. అందువలన దాని మొత్తానికి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రావాలి కాబట్టి దాని హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వేశారు. 2 5s are 10, x 5 whole square value is 25. This is the expansion of x plus 5 into x plus 5. ఆర్డినరీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కూడా చేసి చూడండి, మీకు సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. So this is the first problem in the do this one. Go through the second problem, that is p minus 3 into p plus 3. P minus 3 into p plus 3. Since here you have to write the identity, a plus b whole square identically equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity is compulsory, we have to mention. Using this formula only we have to expand this one, this like. Now go through the second one, p minus 3 into p plus 3, which is in the form a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, is in the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b identically equal to a square minus b square. that is p whole square minus 3 whole square. P whole square is nothing but p into p square. 3 whole square, 3 into 3 is 9. The expansion of that one is p square minus 9 children. Now we are going to discuss the other problem, y minus 1 into y minus 1, that is the third problem here. Third problem, y minus 1 into y minus 1. So what formula like how it is? A minus b into a minus b whole square, that is y minus 1 whole square is in the form a minus b whole square children. So a minus b whole square formula, you know that a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is, since from the formula a minus b whole square identically equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square children. Now y whole square means y square, 2 into y into 1, that is minus 2y plus 1 whole square is 1. This is the third problem. Now go through the fourth problem in the given in the, do this t plus 2 into t plus 4. T plus 2 into t plus 4, how like we have to do here? Let us see. T plus 4. Once again recall what we learned in the previously. This is in the form x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b formula, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So it is in the form x plus a into x plus b identically equal to that form. So using that one we have to write the formula, that is formula is what one, my children? X square plus, that means t square plus a plus b into x, a plus b, 2 plus 4 into t plus ab, 2 into 4. The formula is x square x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the identity, children, identically equal to. So using that, this is t square plus 2 plus 4, 6t plus 8. This is the expansion of the fourth identity. Now go through the fifth problem here, 102 into 98. The fifth problem given in this one is 102 into 98. Numerical problems given here. So 102 into 98, how like we have to do? Ordinary multiplication means easy, that is, but using identity, that is only important here. Using identity given in, clearly given in the, do this. Find the following product using appropriate identity. So we have to expand this one as 100 plus 2 into, this one is 100 minus 2. Once again just we have to recall what formula like how it is, which is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is in the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 100 square minus 2 square. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, children. 100 square value is 10,000 minus 4, 9,996. This is the solution. These are the 5 problems given in the, do this. In the same process we had the so many problems given in the exercise, that is page number 2.5, exercise 2.5, page number 56. The first Roman, second Roman problems are in the same pattern. Here little bit a small confusion came to you, that is second Roman third problem. Go through the exercise page number 56. Second term, third. 50 1 by 2 into 49 1 by 2. 50 1 by 2 can be written as 50 plus 1 by 2. 49 1 by 2 can be written as 49 plus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2. That is x plus a into, a plus b into a minus b model. Try to do the remaining problems in the same process. Tomorrow, next class, we have to discuss the geometrical proof of the identities. Okay, children? Bye.